Got one on, taking some drag. Taking a lot of drag, and this is a heavier pull. So, it's a walleye, it's a big one. It's probably going to be a northern. Oh, coming in pretty easy now. I don't see no white tail down there. Big old northern. Nice big one though. It's probably the biggest fish of the day. I got a leader on, but he's hooked in the corner of the mouth anyhow. Give him a jump one more time here. He gets that. Off the net him. I'll leave the camera on. Oh, that's a nice northern. That's a big northern there. Son. That's a big pike. I'll measure him up. He's a dandy. Probably about 35 inches, 34. Yeah. He was 35 inches, so probably about 12, 14 pounds. Nice big one.